It was Bluetooth, the one only, and I'm very So guys, today I'm not alone. I'm here with guests. So I'm like, let me invite them and shout out themselves.
Hi guys! Welcome to YouTube channel. My name is from her and that's my contact. So please. Say your name to me.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy QNA. You can find me on TikTok, Instagram. You can find me anywhere.
Hello guys, it's a and it's one of the best
TikTok.
You said those things are done.
Okay, so now our topic for today. Except you saw from the panel and what you call this? What is it? Titan. Oh yeah, the Titan is being right. It's posted. So today.
Joe is your boyfriend, Joe.
So today.
I swear, bro, you look sad.
We are going to be doing a Q&A, a hot Q&A. What the temple do? So, hey man, so okay. First question, guys. Hey man. First question is what? In life.
I have tried to be gay. Must I pause?
Because you
The
said
thing that is most adventurous that I've done. I went to Bali.
skydiving. It's me buying a laptop.
It's the last thing I've ever done. Can I say like this? I went to Table Mountain. It's the last thing I've ever done. Table Mountain. Second question is if you could have dinner with anyone dead or alive, who would it be? Me, Tupac. I will have like Tupac in hand. That is from the Tupac. And then, dead or alive, second. If you could have a dinner with anyone, dead or alive, who would it be? Dead or alive?
Yeah, weird.
Jesus Christ.
Satan.
Okay, what's one thing you are really good at and people are surprised with? Like, the fuck is what's like, cooking? Like, yeah, basically.
Ah, boy, we must also pause it, boy. I must pause, boy. And you must put that on for Queen.
Good boy. Which instrument?
Keyboard, drums, and guitar.
Also piano. Oh, he plays guitar. That's so cool.
Okay, now like you. Guys, before we go into class, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Yeah, you should subscribe.
Always subscribe and don't forget to follow me.
Okay, make sure to go to Lulu K subscribe, TTM subscribe, YC subscribe.
Shout out to them.
Yeah.
It's 5 minutes now, but pause.
Ah, 2 minutes. How long my ears are?
Video 10 minutes.
Okay. Well, third question. Yeah, third question. Yo, this is this one. I won't do.
Have you had a crush on someone that you shouldn't have? Or actually, yes. Okay.
No, we used to teach. We don't have teacher from 85. Yeah. Not them doing the other one. Music. That one, let's say that she's
Oh, very
yeah, yeah. I had a crush on the teacher once in the national because she was fucking old, like 24 years old.
Did you? So you are winning.
Yeah, man. I told you fucking background. Hey, little man, did you even hear the question?
Yeah, I can see it.
Hey, campo.
It says if you ever had a crush on someone you shouldn't have.
Have you ever had a crush on someone?
Like a teacher.
Yes, when I
GK lead.
Sam, don't kill me. Don't kill me. Okay. What's the best thing? Oh yeah. Guys, what's the best way to spend a Friday night? Fucking hang out with the boys.
Netflix and chill.
Hey, did you even hear the question?
Hey, man.
What's the best way to spend a Friday night? Hang out with the boys.
Netflix and chill.
Whoa. Limam.
Like Netflix and chill.
By myself.
Oh, chill.
When it's a man. When it's a
What's the TikTok? We're trying to TikTok.
Hey, TikTok or YouTube, it's your boy. You don't know.
It's your boy,
Cameraman.
Guys. What's the best place to spend the Friday night?
Friday night.
Not with your hand, with your hand. Not with your hand, with the what? Still must be out.
What are you saying?
Like, what's the best way to spend the Friday night?
For you, school.
Like, what's the best way to spend the Friday night?
Netflix and chill.
Netflix and chill, Baba.
Oh, you mean the chill or the chill?
The chill. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
What's the one thing you can't live without? Music. I can't live without.
I can't use my phone.
You can't live with your phone?
I can't use my phone. Oh yes, actually, yes, I can live without your phone.
One thing I can live without.
But one thing.
Jesus.
My parents.
Okay, next question. Come on, so far. I'm making everything sound good.
Where's the child? Hey, you autistic thing, stop.
Unknown. You're still alive, in fact. It's like I'm going to show you a clip of who I want to play. I'm going to be I'm going to try to I'm not. Can I say sometimes BF? Yeah, you see, like I will just find a screenshot and then I say sometimes
Who
BF.
has your girlfriend then?
I feel true. If you could switch life with someone, who would it be? I basically switch with the celebrities because I want to see that life. How is it? So, if you could be one to the truth, I don't know. Anyone.
And you're not gonna say too far.
Yeah! Hey! Now we cameraman get paid.
He's gonna die.
Tupac, I just want to live it like this, like you see, like this experience in life. It's gangster. Who would it be like if you could switch life for one day?
Who would it be? Guess my dad.
Ronaldo.
Guess my dad. And life is
I understand. Submission.
Oh my god, there's a beef.
Where's the channel, bruh? So let's go play local outside there.
As in now, thank you Meta for the questions. Now time for my questions for the
Jumper, you heard him quickly. He said couple. Jumper, please evict yourself. Separate from this.
Yeah, I still have to but me, I'm okay, yeah, the question. Okay, you're still dating me. How is that? Like the first date?
She said she's not dating.
Yeah, like the first time. First time dating. How was it like? How did you feel? How did you feel?
I just started dating, that's my first time.
I'm fine.
Guys, me my first time dating, I'm not gonna lie. It was fucking hectic. Yeah, it was hectic. How was it like? How does it feel dating that hectic?
It was exciting.
Please don't watch this video in front of me.
You're not dating,
Cameraman! How is this
Just
side?
like me.
Are you good cameraman? Does young stuff make you nice?
Yeah, but like, enjoy. They said couples.
Nah, but yeah, I'm not seeing that. Young stuff is nice.
Yeah?
You see, guys, I have a cameraman, motor, mics, everything. Don't have a setup in the camera. If you're new, make sure to like, share, subscribe. I'm not gonna say. You see, like, I've been wanting to do this video, but like I say, this part fast. Because most YouTubers brand are slow. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, turn on the post notification button so that you'll be notified. I'm excited, fast. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, turn on the notification button so that you'll be notified every time I jump in another video in another time. You see, like that. So shout out to them for doing the video. I'ma just end it here. Peace.
How you cook this?
I pop out trim, got Rickies on my pants, got Rickies on my feet. And it ain't shit that they could say to me, cause I know that I'm him. I'm really him, I spent the bag on couple bitches that that I hit. Ain't 21, but getting close. They know damn well that I'm rich. On broke grave, I'm a walking ticket. I make niggas hide they bitch. Any nigga could go missing. Pay that fee and send that hit. Wasn't even with me way back then. They see me broke, can't call you friend. At Prezi on my wrist. Got my first kid, did it again. Nowadays you see me in Miami with a bad bitch in the Benz.